Okay, in this video, I'll show you how to access the engine filter so it can be replaced. So open your bonnet, and that's the engine filter cover. So it's currently held with two clips. This one at the front, another one on the other side. And at the back is retained by three plastic clips. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so to remove the cover, undo the clips. And then slowly lift the cover at the front side. And make sure these plastic pins are disengaged, all 3 of them. And now that this housing can be lifted. And that's the engine filter. So when this gets dirty, this is clean, this is a replaced one. You can purchase a new filter and put it in. So to put a new filter in, just reverse the process. Lift the cover, put in the filter. Now align the case with these plastic clips at the back. And now insert these plastic clips into their position. Tighten these clips back on. And the job is done.